Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has gained 0.2% in the last session. Stochastic has diminished into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The ROC collapsed into the negative area. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is losing steam and is currently positive. The Aussie dollar pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The ROC has shot up into the positive area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
U.S. stocks closed lower as investors wrestled with fiscal stimulus developments, concerns over a lengthy rollout of vaccines, and a growing number of state-level shutdowns. A BlackRock chief investment officer claimed that Bitcoin could replace gold, sending the cryptocurrency skyrocketing. With the launch of the M1 processor, Apple has broken open the ARM-powered market for the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, and one of the biggest winners will be Microsoft.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The German GDP will be released at 700 GMT, the German Business Expectations at 900 GMT, and the German IFO Business Climate Index at 900 GMT. The U.S. Redbook at 1355 GMT, the U.S. CB Consumer Confidence at 1500 GMT, and the U.S. API Weekly Crude Oil Stock at 2130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.